Unfortunately, I wasn't able to access the diverticulum with the scope, so we went in surgically. But it went seamlessly, and he's gonna have very fresh breath.
Thank you. He's waking up. Hi, honey. What's wrong with him?
Hey, Shepherd, right away. Excuse me? Dalton?
I can't compete as a mother and as a surgeon. You just don't think I can compete against you. You can't. Because, Mayor, this is all I do. This is all I want to do. So don't whine to me because you made a decision you regret now. You think I regret my family? I think you feel left behind and that sucks for you, but no one forced you out of the game. I am not out of the game. I just won't sabotage my friends winning. Oh, is that what that's what sharks do? You called it our first day. As I recall, I was talking about you. How long have you been sleeping with Shane? He blushes at an exposed ankle. He saw you in your underwear and didn't bat an eye. That is none of your business. Not just by me. Just hooking up with the best teachers to make sure he can get everything he can. It's what you did all through med school and all through intern year. Congratulations. You've become the thing you worship. And you became the thing you laughed at.
Honestly, I'm not looking for 5-star treatment. I get times are tight, but it's hard to get any work done like this. Then came this baby. Small, but with Windows and Office. It runs my work stuff, and I can use apps like Flipboard for news or Xbox Video to watch the shows I'm never home to see. And I can still get work done at the same time. Excuse me, can I have like... Yeah.
Can you help me find my son?
Critics and audiences have been cheering Philomena.
Philomena.
I'm Philomena Dean.
And now the Golden Globes have honored it with a nomination for Best Picture of the Year.
I think that's gonna be enough.
One of the most powerful and perfect movies I've ever seen.
She's been looking for him. She's spent her whole life trying to find him.
A once-in-a-lifetime experience.
And that's it.
Channel PD.
Hello.
She's got nails.
Philomena, rated PG-13, now playing.
I'm so happy to be marrying your mom.
You know that, right?
I know this hasn't always been easy for you, and I'm really happy you're in my life too.
It's just like yours, Mom. Behind every open heart is a story. Tell yours in my Open Hearts collection at Kay Jewelers, the #1 jewelry store in America. There are millions of reasons to give one, but the message is always the same. Keep your heart open and love will always find its way in. Thank you.
turned out all right because of that. Aaron and Amber and Mom, they're okay now because you left. You stayed